Sugnu Peace Committee was not the trigger for the violence that marred Sero and Sugnu. Instead, it helped save the lives of 99 people, said Toijam Bimol of Basikong, who was one of the 99 individuals reportedly rescued by the committee on May 9th. Now, speaking to media, the Manipur Press Club, Bimol expressed his discontentment over the statement given by the Chief Minister during the Assembly session holding the Peace Committee responsible for the violence in Sugnu and Sero. Bimol recalled that he, along with 9 others under the initiative, were rescued from Kongkai village and were safely escorted by the villagers till Lalopai. The same day, that is on May 9th, the committee rescued a total of 99 people, he said. To make ends meet, Bimol said he usually works from place to place doing odd jobs. He was trapped at Kongkai when violence erupted. He said the fatalities in Sugnu and Sero could have been alarming had there been no peace committee. The committee was formed under the initiative of Sugnu MLA Keiranjit with representatives from both Kukis and Meitei as members.
Yoga canal da apoi Sugnu ke MLA se apoi ke har ma se ma se MLA ran ke na peace ki committee ma shim hai ko na sang ko property adu ki committee du ki makha ka koi se thing bi ra